Hey guys, Country Anvil, true to our nature, is now offering a fire starter kit. You can throw this in your bug out bag, in your camping bag, wherever you want. Keep it in your glove box, and you'll be able to start a fire should you have an emergency and need to do so. So what's inside is we always use copper top Duracell batteries, some pure steel wool, and some wax soaked pine. We'll show you how this works. So in the kit that we offer, there's more than enough material to start at least 4 fires. And as I mentioned before, we only use Duracell copper top batteries. They have a 5-year shelf life, and through our experience we found that they have been the most reliable. So you're going to want to get some as dry as you can, because this kit will work in any kind of weather condition, snow, rain, and so forth. You want to get as dry as you can, some kindling, and then you want to take out one of these balls of waxy pine and some of this pure steel wool. It's important that you pull this steel wool apart to make it as thin as possible. You don't want a big clump of it because that's difficult to work with. Put that on the ground, on a rock, on a piece of bark, whatever you're going to use. Put your wax wood in the center. Now you're going to touch the battery to the steel wool, and it helps tremendously if you blow on it. Now we're going to make the fire. And once the fire is started, use your as dry as possible wood for kindling without smothering the fire to continue making your fire. Now, this wax wood will burn for several minutes, so you don't really need to rush. And without a doubt, the best route to go for your battery would be a rechargeable 9-volt battery with a solar power charger, which is easy to make. So that's how you make a fire in a survival situation. Camping, whatever you need a fire for. Our kit is the answer.